Down by the harbor in Essaouira. I'm not saying it right and I apologize, but it's a beautiful seaside town, and the fishermen are getting ready for the fish market. I'll see if I can zone in on a little bit. Some of it. We're going to take a panoramic view of this area, but you can see all the stalls that are here. And what I was told is the fishermen sell their daily fish catch to the market, and the restaurants that are here, which have all kinds of fish on the menus, it was fabulous. And then the restaurateurs or the owners come here to buy their fish for the evening. So you know you're getting a very fresh. They have all kinds, sea breams, sea bass, octopus. We had octopus last night, it was delicious. Squid, shrimp, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, I'll show you some more pictures as we're going. Obviously, with that cannon, this must have been a fortress. And most of the walls that we've seen in these old cities are like that. This was from the 12th century. I think we're stuck. Dead end. Dead end. They're doing some kind of construction, but you can see. From the Phoenician time.
We talk about thousands of years. The Phoenicians at that time, so it was their. This is the site where they select the mussels, you know, mussels, yeah, and they use it for many things. Use it they produce a color, a black color in that time from the mussels that they use it
for painting.
Yes, painting, cover, painting or cover the facade of the doors or from the mussels in the Phoenician time. And as you see on the right side, this picture or this view from here is the most popular picture of Essaouira city in the world.
Really?
The wall, yeah, as you see, and the houses and the hotels, the Petit Saint-Malo. Yeah. Yeah.
So you say looking in this direction is looked at Saint-Malo in France? Is that what
Yes,
you say?
sir.
Is it a view?
The view from here and another one.
Okay.
I will show it to
He
you.
said that was one of the most popular
She's living in France.
Okay, so
views
this picture and I
of
will
this
show you
city,
another
and
one.
it is like a sister city to Saint Malo in France, and it does look like it. I've been there.
هي كيديروا به
يجمعوا من الصباغه لانه كانوا كيشوفوا كل شيء يخرجوا من الصباغه اللي كانوا كيصدروا من هنا من الصويره للعالم كامل.
They produce kind of color that they exported in all over of the world from those mussels. Because this city was the city which was so full from mussels.
And I love mussels, so with garlic and white wine sauce. None of the hotels or restaurants have elevators, so we went to the rooftop last night. We were like up, and how many more steps, and how many more steps, and there's just no elevators. This city's old, and they want to keep it that way. It's very part of the charm, I guess, but it works. It's Seagull Island, the rain's comet, and there's a lot of them. Oh yeah, I'll show you. Hold on. This is the Seagull Hang.
Look at these two.
Yeah, they're kissing over there. Aw, so cute.
Oh, look, he's getting on top of it.
Oh,
Get that on video.
You're doing it.
They were just having a
He's
little,
cleaning her.
yeah,
too
foreplay
much.
before
By
this.
this.
I was watching this.
Yeah, bugs all over the place. It's
I know,
killing
these
me.
little teeny things.
See, that's what I was getting down there. It's a very buggy town also, eaten alive. You can't see them. It's like the Florida no-see-ums. Man, they're killing me.
What, the seagulls?
No, the
Oh.
bugs, not the seagulls. So, there's a couple down here having a good time, I think.
No,
They're
one of
doing
them- one of
something.
them is at least.
One, hopefully both of them are having a good time.
Whoa, look at that.
Go, 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 go.
Let me tell you about the birds.
And the bees and the flowers and the trees and the moon. And he walks away like, and he's having a smoke. He's having a smoke now.
Enough's enough, she said.
And that's it. Oh well. Will he call me tomorrow? Will he call me tomorrow? I don't know. We're not talking about love. We're just talking about a freaking phone call.
I thought it was
Larger boats, I guess. The fishermen bringing in their catch from the day.
Jimi Hendrix, he was there. Yeah, he lived there and he was married also with a Moroccan girl. Yeah.
Over there, that
Yeah,
white
over
over
there, this village there. So this is the capital of hippies in Morocco. That's why
We're
you
the
will
capital
see
of hippies
a lot
in
of
Morocco.
them until now inside the city. So
From everywhere, I guess.
So was America.
Yep. Sorry, I'm trying to look at those long, skinny fish. Eels, maybe, or they're not octopus though, because they have all the tentacles. So it's something else. Crabs are walking. Yeah. They're pretty big ones.
Yeah. Wow.
Ooh. Now, you see the little bags on the bicycles? So I guess they came and got their fish for the day. Taking it home. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
We took
This one here. Did we take this?
I took it already.
Oh.
So that's a small port, small place when it put the blue boat.
And obviously it was a fortress with the cannons,
Yeah,
right?
with the cannon. It has two fortresses in this town. That one and the other one
Famous picture for this town. The port. Old port.
Like this one on the wall.
Cannons are from the Portuguese time. So they're the net repairers. They work with the small
2
fishermen.
or 3% you work with it, you know, only with it.
Thank you.
Some of them do.
This is the main gate of the city. Mohammed Ashay Masadi.
Yeah, in 16th, end of 16th century, beginning of the 17th. This man, he succeeds finally to push Portuguese, you know, out from our coast, and as
You can explain to me
right side. You see the decorations in the middle? On the right side, you see the David Star. You see David Star?
Oh, yes.
Okay, in the middle. And next to this David Star, there is the Christian rose. What you call it? Christian rose. But you find it in a lot of churches, you know? Yeah, so this is a symbol of the tolerance in Morocco between the three religions. So look, we talk about 16th century, yeah? But we say, so in fact, talk about 13th, 12th century, the Jewish in Morocco, they were all the time our brothers, and we live with that, with the Christians without any problem. So we love everyone. So this is a symbol from 400 years. So David's star and the Christians.
So the country's always been tolerant of all religions. The Arabic or the Muslims, the Jews, and the Christians. And this is from the 16th century, and they're still that way now. Very tolerant people. They all live together in peace and harmony. Beautiful thing.